Season 16 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz was awesome. 95 matches down from Quest for Quiz and the main draw of the competition, and only one match to go. Hello everyone, and welcome to the best of the season Junior Schools Challenge Quiz feature. I am Sheldon Reed. Set your alarms and mark your calendars for the live grand finale on Tuesday, December 11th at 6 p.m. right here on TVJ. From the competition began in 2003, we've had some amazing seasons, and this year was just as special. The first big moment of 2018 was the defeat of last year's runners-up, Meadowbrook Prep, in the first round. What is the value of the 9 in the figure 29,000? Meadowbrook.
9,000. 9,000.
Correct. Social studies. How many days does the moon take to orbit the Earth? Queens.
1.
Incorrect. 27 days. Bible knowledge. What was the name of the unique storytelling method used by Jesus to make Queens?
Parables.
To make important points and to teach lessons, correct. English language. Form a verb from the word careful. Meadowbrook.
Carefully. Carefully.
Incorrect. Care. And that's the bell signifying the end of this round and the end of today's match. The final scores now read Queen's Prep on 31 points and Meadowbrook Prep on 28 points. Greater Portmore Primary created an early stir when they turned the heat up on Emmanuel Christian Academy.
The DBJ is a local bank which funds businesses. What does the abbreviation DBJ stand for? Time's up. Nope, the bell came first. Time's up. It's the Development Bank of Jamaica. Mathematics. What is 686 rounded to the nearest 10? Greater Portmore.
690. 690.
That's correct. Social studies. Which layer of Earth is made up of tectonic plates? Is it the inner core, outer core, mantle, or crust? It's the crust. Bible knowledge. What was the name of the tax collector that climbed up a Greater Portmore?
Zacchaeus.
Climbed up a tree so he could see Jesus. That's correct. English language. Complete the And that bell signifies the end of the match with Emmanuel Christian Academy on 25 points, Greater Portmore Primary on 47 points. A hearty congratulations to you, Greater Portmore Primary.
Solid Base Prep was in a dominant mood against Wolmer's Prep, and Friendship Primary made light work of Highgate Primary.
Mathematics. What is 15 increased by 20%? Solid Base?
18. 18.
Correct. Social Studies. Which party won Jamaica's general election in Wolmer's?
Jamaica Labour Party.
2007. That's correct. Bible knowledge. On what island was John? Solid Base?
Patmos. Patmos.
When he was given the vision of Revelation. That's correct. And that is the bell.
Social studies. Which map shows the details of rivers in a country? Friendship.
Physical map. Physical map.
That's correct. Bible knowledge. Which rich ruler came to Jesus at night to inquire how he could be born again? Friendship.
Nicodemus. Nicodemus.
That's correct. English language. Spell the word iniquity. And no need for an answer because that bell signifies the end of the match with Friendship Primary on 43 points.
Defending champions, George Headley Primary, were in a no-nonsense mood against Morris Nib Prep to send a strong message to all teams. Bible knowledge, the Apostle Paul was known by what former name? George Headley.
Saul.
Correct. English language, make this sentence simpler. Jane was rushed to the building where sick persons are... George Headley.
Hospital. Hospital. Hospital.
Where sick persons are treated. Correct. General knowledge, what is the name of the place where kangaroos keep their young? George Headley.
Marsupium. Marsupium. Marsupium.
Incorrect. A pouch. Sports. And that is the bell signifying the end of this round and the end of today's match. Other excellent round 1 performances came from Mona Heights Primary against Melrose Primary, St. Jude's Primary over Guys Hill Primary, and Hopewell Prep against Montego Bay Christian Academy. Which number is next in the sequence? 1, 5, 25. Melrose. Incorrect. Before the bell, 125. Social studies. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mona Heights.
Mount Everest.
Correct. And that's the bell signifying the end of the final round and the end of today's match.
In which country is Mount Hillaby the highest? St. Jude's.
Barbados.
That's correct. Bible knowledge. What was the name of the high priest of Jerusalem? St. Jude's?
Aaron.
High priest of Jerusalem who put Jesus on trial. It's Caiaphas. That's incorrect. English language, give a 6-letter word starting with D, which means an alternative route. St. Jude's.
Detour.
Is correct.
What is another name for Jamaica's central bank? Hopewell.
Bank of Jamaica. Bank of Jamaica.
Correct. Bible knowledge. When Jesus healed the 10 lepers, how many of them did not return? Montego Bay.
9.
Did not return to give thanks. Correct. English language. Form an adjective from the word craze. Hopewell.
Crazy. Crazy.
Correct. General knowledge. What is the name for a cross between a male lion and a tiger? Montego Bay.
Liger.
Correct. And that is the bell signifying the end of this round and the end of today's match. Big congratulations to Hopewell Prep and a good game played by Montego Bay Christian Academy. More action to come when this Best of the Season feature on the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.